Assalamualaikum guys, how are you today? Good afternoon, have a nice day, good day. So guys, once again I will come back. I have get.io a project name sharp. My bonus stock hodler your drop sharp. Okay, we discuss more discussion and more discuss this topic and get more information. So guys, first of all, everyone, welcome to the live stream. How are you today? Have a nice day, good day. Okay, we are starting our work. We are starting our work and with more information get and so that everyone, welcome to my live stream. UID, welcome to my live stream. How are you today, UID? Good afternoon. Stella Armada Shar. Event bundle, toddler airdrop trading competition, simple. Okay. And started 9/8/7/2025 and 54:36 UTC time at 60978 view and we get more information. Yet will launch Sharm uh, Gate will launch Sharm Sport Trading on July 2025 at 7 UTC time to reward platform user, hodler airdrop, trading competition, and simple errands will list Stel Armada Sharm according to the timeline below. Join now and experience the benefits. Okay, everyone, welcome, join my live stream. And that get user Mr. Mirage Triple One Sakura, welcome, join my live stream. How are you today, Sakura? Okay, Gate will launch Sharp Sport Trading on 10 July 2025 at 17 UTC time to reward platform user hodler airdrop trading competition and simple errand will list still Armada Sharm according to the timeline below. Join now and experience the benefits. Okay, and next hodler airdrop. Get will immediately list Satila Arvada Sherm and offer a limited time hodler airdrop user holding at least one GT can share 2083 333 Sherm token for free even and time July 2025 and 5 UTC time and join me. Hodler airdrop, sure. SARM, sure. X Twitter, official website, and FAQ, okay. And total airdrop 2083, 333, sure. And participant 4822 per GT 0.6096, sure. And time 10 7 1 2025 trade no and increase GT. Within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrop you will receive. Balance 0.65 GT by GT and convert project introduction. Okay, project introduction. Stella Armada is an innovative gamify project that brings together um, gamify project that brings together strategic city building management and management, fleet management. मेरे आए थोड़ा वाले बाद एक प्रोजेक्ट कर ले कि रेड हनी तो कितना मस्ती से ना कि उन्हें बता दो तो नहीं मैंने मेरे खड़े होने होने शुरू कितने होने Project introduction. Stella Armada is an innovative gamified project that brings together strategic city building, fleet management, and immersive galactic explorations and decentralized players on ecosystems by combining high quality gameplay with blockchain technology. Still are by the giving players true ownerships of their assets and the ability to earn real reward through shun tokens. In December, गिफ्ट करना लेट्स से USDT कन्वर्ट करना तो कंजावर करवा in December 2024, Stella Armada successfully acquired for private sale with a Lumen Chain capital, raising 300,000 at a token price of 0.004 per share. In December, uh, sorry, this funding market a major milestones for Stellar Maida, enabling the team to accelerate game development, enhance blockchains integrations, and expand community engagement by partnering with top tier backers like Lumen Chain Capital. Stella Armida is well positions to deliver a groundbreaking play to conquer experience and build a thriving economy around speed, explorations, and strategic gameplay. Okay, everyone, welcome join my live stream. How are you today? Vacancy, UID, get user, also, and Soul, Manuel, Tayubaldo, and many other members. Welcome join my live stream. How are you today? Jerry AHSU founder. Jerry SU HSU is the founder. Jerry HSU, the founder and CEO of Stella Armada, brings a wealth of expertise in blockchain technology, global marketing, and business development with extensive experience in lending roles across innovative teach companions. Cherry combines a strong technical foundation with strategic marketing acumen to drive the visions and executions of Stella Armada Web3 gaming solution. Okay. Flower 34, welcome join my live stream. How are you today? Tell me you got reward today. Please tell me project highlight. Uh, welcome, dear. How are you? Stellar Armada is a groundbreaking gamify project that combines deep strategic I say you, are you got today any reward? Please tell me. Did you reward? I'm fine. I'm good. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Players explores uncharted galaxies, wild advanced cities and command powerful fleets while earning charm tokens by blending immersive missions with decentralized economics. Stella Almeida empowers players to ओ वेरी गुड। आपको मिल गया है तो आप इसको जल्दी से यूएसडीटी में कन्वर्ट कर लें, क्योंकि ये अभी मिले हैं, मुझे भी मिले हैं। आप इनको आपको जीटी मिली हैं, आप इनको यूएसडीटी में कन्वर्ट कर दें। ओके, इससे पहले कि ये लो हो जाए इसकी प्राइस जीटी की। ठीक है, आप इनको जल्दी से यूएसडीटी में कन्वर्ट कर लें। ओके गाइस, आखिरकार आपको मिलना स्टार्ट हो गए हैं ना, इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर मिलेंगे। आप अपनी मेहनत जारी रखें, मेहनत का सिला गेट ऑटायो वाले ज़रूर देते हैं। ठीक है, जितनी मेहनत करोगे उतना मिलेगा। और कल मैंने आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम देखी थी, आप बहुत अच्छी कर रही थी मार्केट एनालिसिस के बारे में। यही मैं आपको कहना चाह रही थी, आप इसमें करें, इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत जल्द प्रोजेक्ट भी मिलेंगे। ओके, project highlight. Stella Armada is a groundbreaking GameFi project that combines deep strategic gameplay, uh, uh, deep strategic gameplay with blockchain powered ownership. Players explore uncharted galaxies. Uh, नहीं, हार नहीं माननी, कभी हार नहीं माननी। मुझे यकीन था कि आपको जरूर मिलेंगे और मिल गए। मुझे पता था आज आपको मिलेंगे, इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह। और मेहनत करती रहें, जरूर जरूर मिलेंगे। दो दो लाइव स्ट्रीमें करें और वो जो गाला वाला चला हुआ है, आप वोट देंगी तो उसके भी आपको उसका भी आपको मिलेगा रिवार्ड। ठीक है, तो हाँ, आपकी एज यू विश, मैं आप पे ज़बरदस्ती नहीं करूँगी। जिसको भी वोट देना चाहें ड्रैगन फ्लाई को दें, लेकिन मैंने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया। अगर आप ड्रैगन फ्लाई को देंगी तो बेस्ट है, बाकी आपकी मर्जी। ओके, project highlights. Stellar Maida is a groundbreaking gamify project that combines deep strategic gameplay with a blockchain-powered ownership. Players explore uncharted galaxies, wild advanced cities. Um, and command powerful fleet well earning charm tokens by blending immersive missions with decentralized economics. Stella Armada empowers players to truly own their achievements and shape in a evolving community driven universe. Okay, and the next token, economics. The Sherm token holds the in game economics by enabling players to build cities, upgrade fleets, and participate in governments. Players ensure pro missions and staking while sustainable tokenized model with fair vesting schedules ensure long-term value for the community and investors alike. Uh, ओके, मैं इस टाइम प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ, मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम करूँगी। इंशाल्लाह आज मेरे प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। तो मैं कल लाइव स्ट्रीम करूँगी, उसमें आपको मज़ीद तफसील से बताऊँगी। ठीक है, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट में टाइम बहुत थोड़ा होता है और प्रोजेक्ट 1 घंटे में कंप्लीट करना होता है। ओके, लाइव स्ट्रीम करूँगी, उसमें आपको बहुत सारा फिर डिस्कस हम करेंगे। थैंक यू, थैंक यू। Sakura, welcome to my live stream. Token economics, the Sherm token holds take in game economy by enabling players to build cities, upgrade fleets, and participate in governments. Players earn Sherm pro mission and staking, while a sustainable tokenomizes model with peer vesting schedules ensures long-term value for the community and investors alike. Okay, guys. Everyone, welcome to my stream. How are you today, everyone? Token economics, the Sherm tokens flew in the game economy by enabling players to buy cities, upgrade fleet, and participate in governments. Players earn through missions and staking, while a sustainable tokenized model with fair vesting its schedules ensures long-term value for the community and investors alike. And technical overview boiled on the BSC Stella Armada uses Stellar Armada uses secure smart contracts to for token transactions in game reward and governments. The project's integration integrates advanced in some scalability solutions to support seamless gameplay and real-time interaction, ensuring a stable and responsive experience for thousands of current concurrent players. Token circulation status. Game reward 40.00%, 20% released at TGE 6 months liners visiting ecosystem developments 20.00%, 20% released at TGE 6 month liner visiting team and advisor 50.00%, 12 months cliff, 48 months liner vesting public sale 8.10.00%, 6 month cliff, 12 months liner vesting private sale 5.00%, 12 month cliff, 12 months liner vesting reported to pool 5%. 5.00%, 60-month liner vesting stacking reward 5.00%, six stacking reward liquidity pool 5.00%, 60-month liner vesting stacking reward 5.00%, 60-month liner vesting. Okay, risk reminder: the trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please understand the project details and to conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final by participating in the project. You accept our airdrop terms and conditions. And question, how to participate in the hodler airdrop. As long as your GT holdings in Gate account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrop without locking or stacking GT. And which accounts GT holding will be included in the calculations. Total GT holding in unified accounts, support accounts, isolated margin account, copy trading account, goods account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track you your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project's period. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received your average hourly holdings. All participants average holding multiple total air drop amount. What is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the hodler airdrop project with 1 GT and is holding it is it united the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding of all participants and is updated hourly. Why are my holding accounted different cross project? The system uses random snapshots of calculate your average hourly holding depending on when you join each project. The calculate average holding may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remain constant, your average hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is in individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the events announcement for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? um, you can participate in multiple projects. How will the airdrop reward will be distributed? How will the airdrop reward will be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project, and you can check it anytime in Launchpool hodler airdrop participation history. Okay, X Twitter official websites and official website. Everyone, welcome to my live stream. How are you today? Stella Armada. Stella Armada words. Stellar Armada invite you to lead an interstellar fleet, wild futuristic cities, and uh, conquer the westerness of space, explore a new frontiers, master cosmic strategy, and live your and leave your legacy among the stars. Join Stella Armadano and Stella Armada informations for core partners, community holders, and our game concept. Okay, guys. Our tokens or tokenomics, the SHRM token is the heart of the Stairs Armada economy, empowering players to build, trade, and conquer in the vast universe. As a utility token, SHRM drives the in-game ecosystem by enabling users to four cases. Four cases, number one, build cities, while cities and acquire wild AC choir construct and fleet management purchase up upgrade maintain governments influence develop govern and trade and Iran trade and stack and Iran sharp allocation 40% game reward in game reward for quests achievements and player incentivities. And next allocations 20% ecosystem development funding game developments partnerships platform expansions and Mm, allocations 15% team and advisors allocations for core team members and strategic advisors allocation 10% public sales tokens available for public purchase during token sale and allocation 5% private sale allocated to say to early investor and strategic partners allocations 10% liquidity and reward ensures liquidity and ensure who structure for rewards. Uh, Chatting the stars of 1 million stars at a time. The stallers are by the red map. Roadmap outline our journey to the start from beta launches and major update to tokens listing and game expansions. Each million stones brings us closer to a fully immersive space conquest experience explores the cosmos, managing your fleets and shape the futures of the galaxy with every key development. You know and meet our team four members. They are four members: Singh Hashu, Chief Executive Officers, and Jante, Chief Operating Officers, and Trevor Chong, Chief Technology Officer. Okay, okay. And Charis Chen, Head of Marketing. Contact us, meet our team, our location 160 Robinson Road hash 40.40 minus 04 Singapore 068 68 9 company name Settle Armada Pte Ltd. Okay, and Unity, BNB chain, and U and Rare. Epic. And community, Twitter, Telegram, Okay, guys. And FAQ, I have already completed the FAQ, and we will come back. And simple errand. Simple errands. Errand will launch an extra sham reward proof of the 7. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. Trading competitions. Okay. Trading competitions. Gates are currently holding the Stella Armada Swarm trading competitions. Join right now and share the 2083 Swarm reward prize pool. Event period 10 July to 17 July 2025 to 7 UTC time. And join now. Stella Armada Swarm Trading Competitions live join and share 2083333 Swarm reward event ends in 2 days, 21 horse 1 minute some seconds, and join no event rules share and get to currently holding the Stella Armada Swarm trading competition. Join right now and share the 2083333 Sharm reward prize pool. Activity 1, race to the Sharm trading leaderboard for 500,000 Sharm prizes. Everyone, welcome to my live stream. How are you today, everyone? Activities 1, race to the Sharm trading uh, uh, trading leaderboard for 150 500,000 share price during the event. User who have no less than 300,000 shares for trading volume can share the 1,500,000 share reward based on their shares for trading volume ranking. Okay, and rank 1 reward and minimum share trading volume person. Ranking 1 15 150,000 share and minimum share trading volume person 9 billions. 9 lakh. Okay, and number 2 ranking number 2 120,000 share and 7,500,000 share trading volume person. And number 3 ranking number 3 uh, 60,000 share and 3,500,000 trading volume persons and 450 equally shares 300,000 share 400,000 volume, and other users shares 870,000 share based on spot trading volume proportions 500 collapse and activities. Activities to exclusive benefits for newcomers here. Extra 300,000 share reward during the event. New users who registered and reached spot trading volume of 2,000 or future trading volume of 10,000 will receive it 850 share reward. The total prize pool is 300,000 share first come first serve of operation guide and activity 2. Activity 3, invite friends share 283 283 333 Sharm referral bonus during the event. You invite friend to register and complete spot trading volume of 2000 or future trading volume of 10,000 to return to earn a 150 Sharm reward. The more friends you invite, the more reward you earn. Reward are distributed on a first come first serve basis, and total reward 1 to 5 reward 150, sorry 150 sure percent, and 6 or 20 total referral reward to 50 sure percent, and 20 referrals to 400 sure percent. And notes notes number one. All participants need click the join now button and complete identity verifications before the event ends to be eligible for reward. Number two, trading volume by volume plus sell volume. Number three, the total reward for these events is 208,333 Sharm, and reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the completion ends. The use of duplicate accounts and any other cheating behavior such as inflations of trading volume, bulk registrations of fake accounts, self-trading, order matching, etc. are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity verifications information will be treated as the same account. Sub-accounts cannot participate in the activities. Number five, market makers press corporate and institutional accounts, affiliate agent account, and affiliate sub-agent account, partner account, and sub-partner account are not eligible to participate in these events. And number six, if the user participate if the user participates in other activities on Get simultaneously, they will only receive the reward from one activity. Number seven, but any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English versions, the shall English version shall prevail. Number eight, Get services are right to other final explanations. Number nine, this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number eight, sorry. Number 10, user in the United Kingdom and other restricted location cannot access the services, including the participation in this event or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. We do not initiate to solicit or conduct marketing reward customers in such restricted location. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my live stream. How are you today, everyone? Thanks to all members join my live stream. Dawn and Hamas Pakistan, Insert Queens, Tayyip, Ratuba, Medusan, and many other members. Welcome to my live stream. How are you today? And next, Simple Aaron. See, no time. Welcome to my live stream. How are you? No time. Simple Aaron will launch an extra term reward pool for the 7-day USDT fixed term fixed um, day USDT fixed term products on July 2025. Subscribes and enjoy 10% bonus APR with a total APR of up to 12%, a total of 166 667 share in extra reward are available on a first come first serve basis. Okay, join now. Subscribe USDT turns 7 day flexibles 11.02% and 12.00% 7 days, 2.50% 14 days, and amount minimum level max USDT trading products rules, time and interest, majority, time redeemed, and standard APR. Okay, and simple error. Principal protected flexible term compound interest 2.25 b total landings USDT 11.02% bonus east APR USDT above simple error and how to profit from simple error. One create a landing offer, initiate the process to land out your idle fund. Number two, successful matching system matches your landing offer with borrowing needs in the market and compound interest and compound interest after your assets are borrowed successful. Okay, sorry guys, and FAQ, what is simple error? What is simple errand? Through it, simple errand, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and unless the potential of your investment portfolios. Basically, you can subscribe to flexible terms or fixed term products to earn returns with crypto assets. Okay, and next question, how is the interest of simple error and flexible term calculated and distributed? Your subscriptions to get simple error and flexible term will work as working capital for long businesses on the platform. The system will lend your funds to other users and the interest generated will be distributed to you as the annualized return of your subscriptions. If your assets are borrowed at T o'clock, you will receive the interest rate and during the following year at T plus 1. However, if you redeem your assets before T plus 1, you will not receive any interest for the past year. Interest received every year. Received every year will be invested automatically to earn compound interest. You can redeem both principals and interest at redemptions. And the current estimated APR is the lowest APR at which simple errand cards can be successfully matched for lending and earning returns. It calculated based on historical data and current market borrowing demands and how uh, how is the interest in simple and fixed term calculated and distributed? Finally, Baba, welcome to our live stream. How are you, finally, Baba? After successful subscriptions, interest will be calculated at the APR at the time of subscriptions throughout the terms and start to occur at 00 UTC plus 0. The next both the interest and the principals will be credited to your sport account or unified account after the order reaches maturity. How to redeem? Errandsome transactions fee. Welcome transaction fee. Join my live stream. How are you? Simple errand. How to redeem? Simple errand, flexible to term, allow your real time redemptions. However, if we are proceeding to many redemption requests, there may be daily in as arrival. Please wait petitionally after submitting the request, and interest will keep occurring during the waiting period. Simple errand fixed term allows for flexible redemptions before the order reaches maturity. However, early redemptions will result in the loss of all accurate interest. The principal will be returned to your spot account or unified account upon submitting the redemption request. And next, last question, errand guide to simple errand course. And this course will help you master the basic of Get Simple Errand, including its features and profit models. After learning this course, you will be able to set the parameters of simple errands rotationally according to your own needs and market expectations. Grow your crypto assets and maximize capital of efficiency. Go to learn. About the simple errands, to get simple errand, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and sorry, and unleash the potentials of your investment portfolios. Specifically, you can subscribe to flexible term or fixed term products to earn return with crypto as a strength. Easy ecosystem, you can use your idle cryptocurrencies to subscribe to flexible terms products, which can be redeemed anytime to earn daily reward, or subscribes to flexible term products for higher and more stable returns. Auto earns ITOs cryptocurrencies in your spot accounts or unified account will be used to auto subscribes to simple and flexible term products for flexible returns at 230 UTC plus 0 and 50 30 UTC every day. Product risk and disclaimer: the price of cryptocurrency fluctuates. Therefore, the value of our investment may up or down. You are slowly responsible for our investment decisions. Gate is not liable for any losses, and you may suffer APR indicate the potential return on your crypto investment in the denomination of the cryptocurrency you invested. It is adjusted once as and for so you may receive returns not an expected. None of the above shall be considering as financial advice. For more information, please refer to your terms, use and risk disclaimer. Get to the first mainstream platform community commenting to providing 100% capital reserves. What is 100% of reserves? Centralized trading platform managing of leaders for recording user assets in a database. As such a platform face the challenge of providing that they have full custody of all user assets in good condition. Get simple simply implemented the market tree to resolve this issue by storing the hash value of each user account as in the leaf nodes. um, Sorry, Centralized trading platform gets implemented the market tree to resolve this issue by storing the hash value of each user account as in the nodes of the market tree. Every user can audit the total amount of user assets stored in the leaf nodes of the Merkle tree and verify whether his funds are included through a qualified third-party audit agents. Okay. And next, project introduction. Stellar Armada is an innovative gamify project that brings together strategic city building, fleet management, and immersive galactics explorations in a decentralized players on the ecosystem by combining high quality gameplay with blockchain technology. Stellar Armada gives players turn ownerships of their assets and the ability to earn real reward through Sherm tokens. In December 2024, Stellar Armada successfully sold a private sale with Lehman chain capital raising 300,000 at a token price of 0.005 per share. This funding market a major milestones for Stella Armada, enabling the team to accelerate game development, enhance blockchains integrations, and expand community engagement by partnering with top tier backer like Lumen Chains Capital. By partnering with top tier block like Lumen Chain Capital, Stella Armada is will positions to deliver a groundbreaking play to conquer experience and build a thriving economy around space explorations and strategic gaming play. Okay, guys, and the last notes this project. Not Sakura. Sakura, welcome. Welcome, join my live stream. How are you today? Note, there may be discrepancies between this original content in English and any translated versions. Please refer to the original English versions for the most accurate information. In case any discrepancies arises, get term 9 July 2025. uh, Gateway to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights and transparency security token. Check our 100% proof of researches. Okay, guys. I have completed the project. Project name Armada Sharm. Okay, and then again we are checking. Welcome everyone. Join my live stream. How are you? Hama, Safiston, UIT, Sakura, Get User, and you many other members. Welcome to my live stream. How are you today? Everyone, welcome join my live stream. How are you today, everyone? Thanks to all members join my live stream and support me. I have completed the project and repeat and letting know. Mitten 34, welcome join my live stream. How are you, Mitten? Welcome join my live stream. Thanks to all members on my live stream. How are you today? Good afternoon and good evening. Thanks to all members on my live stream. How are you? Welcome everyone to my live stream. How are you today? Okay. Okay, guys, and the last we are discussing Almaida Sharm event wonder of career drop and most important this project trading competition simple and most important in this trading competition simple and this topic related to trading and we get we participate in and get more bonuses and event time event time July 10 July 17 July 2025 everyone I I say everyone please participate in these events and in these events and we get some profit if any person can trading, so I recommend to Sharm coins. Sharm coins in those days is the best coins for trading. Happens happens less Akendo of the welcome to my live stream. How are you today? Okay, guys. Trading the trading events, competitions in Bahrain. If any person can, if any person can trader, so that this event time starting 10 July, 10 July to 17 July, starting event period. So any person can participate this and get money profit. Okay, and Okay, guys, I have complete the project. So, guys, have these. Take care. Bye bye.